Tired of every domain name you type being taken? I get it. You have this perfect idea for your website, and then unavailable. It is frustrating. But here is the good news. You can find a creative, available domain in seconds using Namecheap's hidden tools, and I'm going to show you exactly how. We will start from your website builder inside Namecheap. Then, we are going to unlock Beast Mode, explore auctions and premium listings, and even use the generator to spark some fresh ideas. By the end of this, you will be walking away with a domain name that actually works for you. All right, let us jump in. Start from your Namecheap dashboard and go into the website builder where you are editing your site. We need to get to the place where your domain is set up. Now, look for the Domains tab up at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on that. This is your main hub for everything domain related. And here is the really important part. You will see a toggle or a button that says Beast Mode. Click on it. This is not a gimmick. It unlocks a whole set of advanced search options that most people never even know exist. It gives you way more control over what you are looking for. Once Beast Mode is on, go ahead and click on the search field. Just type in a word or phrase related to your website. It does not have to be perfect yet. We are just getting the ball rolling. After the results pop up, you will see a few different tabs. Click on the Domains tab again to make sure you are looking at the full list of available names. This might take a moment to process as Namecheap checks availability across a ton of extensions. Now, click directly on the highlighted search field at the top. This lets you refine your search instantly without starting over. So, now that we have got that set up, let us move on to something really interesting. Click on the Auctions tab. This is where people let their domains expire. You can sometimes snag a great name that someone else gave up on. It is like a treasure hunt. Next, click on the Premium tab. All the domains here are already owned by someone, but the owner is willing to sell. These can be pricey, but if you find the perfect name, it might be worth it. Just keep an eye on the price tag. And finally, click on the Generator tab. This is my personal favorite. Type in a few keywords, and Namecheap will start spitting out creative combinations you might never have thought of. It is a goldmine for ideas when you feel stuck. Now, let us narrow things down. Click on Beast Mode again. This will let you filter the results even more. You can sort by price, popularity, or length. I have tested this quite a bit, and using these filters saves so much time. As you find domains you like, click on the Favorites tab. This saves them so you do not lose track. It is easy to get overwhelmed with options, so keep a short list. Once you have your top pick, click on the Domains tab one more time to go back to the main list. Then, click on the highlighted search field to lock in your final selection. That is it. You went from frustrated and stuck to having a unique, available domain name in your hands. Now go ahead and register it before someone else does. Happy building!